and welcome to Maker Lab. My name is Heather, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cotton ball launcher. For this project, you will need 2 paper rolls, 2 rubber bands of the same size, thick tape such as electrical or duct tape, a small pencil, a single hole punch, scissors, and a cotton ball. Let's get started. Begin by taking one of your paper rolls and cutting it in half lengthwise. Once you've cut it in half, roll the paper roll into a smaller diameter and secure it with your tape. Using scissors, remove any excess paper from the roll. Next, using your hole punch, punch one hole on opposite sides of one end of the paper roll. This is where you're going to insert the pencil. Next, cut 2 short slits in the end of the other tube. Once those slits are cut, cut 2 more slits on the opposite side, 4 total. Then insert your rubber bands into both those slits and secure them with tape. Insert the small tube into the large tube and stretch the rubber bands around the pencil. Once that's done, load your cotton ball, pull back the pencil, and launch. And there you have it, your very own cotton ball launcher. Thanks for tuning in to Maker Lab today. Take care.